these walls to keep the pain away. Stack them high with every scar and shame. Told myself I'm fine behind the gate, but now I'm tired of living this afraid. You knock again, so patient at the door. I feel you calling me to something more, but I've been afraid to trust. Now I'm breaking down, I've had enough. Tear down these walls around my heart, every bitter stone, every broken part. Take this heart of stone, make it flesh again. Breathe into the silence where I've held you in. I'm not the same since you came through. Lord, I want more of you. I let religion try to take your place.